Welcome to the real estate page. In this video, we're going to be walking through adding an income property. Begin by selecting income property. You can then input the address or the title you'd like to label your income property. Next, input the current value of the property. You can then add a growth rate of how you think your property is going to grow year over year throughout the length of the analysis. As you navigate down the page, you can then put all the specific details. Start by entering the rental property income and how you anticipate the income will grow year over year. Next, input the details surrounding the operating expenses, insurance, and property taxes, along with how you think those might go up each year of the analysis. In the investment section, please input the purchase price and capital improvements made to the property. If you have a mortgage remaining on the property, you can input the mortgage details. If you no longer have a mortgage, simply leave this section blank. If you plan to make additional lump sum payments to the mortgage, you can select yes and input any year that you'd like to make any lump sum payments. If this is not part of your plan and you just want to do the monthly payments, simply select no. The next step is to input your undepreciated capital costs. If you're unsure where to find this can be found on your most recent and up-to-date tax return. And finally, simulate what you'd like to do with the rental property. If you never plan to sell, you can simply select no. If you do want to simulate selling the rental property in any period of time throughout the analysis, you can indicate when you may sell, indicate the year you purchased the property, which will allow for an accurate tax calculation. Once all required fields are completed, select Next or Save to continue.